Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the sheet and selecting the exact cells to effect. First, save a backup. Once done, use Shift for contiguous ranges or Control for non-adjacent cells so you don't accidentally remove nearby data. Make sure to include column headers when you plan to filter. This preserves structure and enables targeted deletions. Also check for merged cells, which can block bulk deletes. Now that selection is active, move to Filtering or Find and replace, depending on whether you're deleting values, blanks, or duplicates. Once your selection is set, apply Excel's filter to isolate the values you want gone. This lets you visually confirm before deleting. Alternatively, press Ctrl+F, choose Replace, use wildcards for patterns, and replace matches with nothing to delete contents. For duplicates, use Data, remove duplicates, and pick columns to compare. Make sure to uncheck headers if not included. If you need blanks removed, press F5, Special, Blanks. Then delete entire rows or shift cells up. Each method changes sheet layout, so pick the right one. To finish, verify results immediately and use Undo if something's wrong. Having that backup earlier makes restoration simple. Make sure formulas that reference deleted values are checked and corrected, because blanks or removed cells can produce errors. If delete commands won't run, inspect Sheet/Workbook Protection and unmerge any blocking cells. Protection often prevents bulk changes. If you still see issues, repeat the selection and method on a small sample to confirm behavior before applying to the whole dataset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.